Key, welcome KFP. You guys want to make some Jimmy?
Come here, Jimmy. We need some chicken. I find that removing the skin from the drumsticks makes for a more even cook. The recipe recommends a dry brining of salt, MSG, and baking powder. And make sure to give Jimmy a nice coating of the brine. And we'll let this refrigerate for about an hour. Every good Jimmy needs a good breading. And this Jimmy is going to get a breading of flour, paprika, chicken bouillon, garlic powder, onion powder, white pepper powder, ginger powder, salt, MSG, black pepper, and some celery seed. And once that's all together, we're just going to whisk it until it's nice and even. Now we're going to crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Whisk in some soy sauce. And then add just a little bit of flour. This is going to create the base of the batter. Now, there is sparkling water that goes with this, but we're not going to add that until the chicken is done resting at the very end. You don't want to lose that carbonation. When you're whisking the batter, it should come out nice and smooth. Try to remove all the lumps you can. Okay, the chicken is done resting now. And now we're going to add the sparkling water and whisk it in. And here's our breading station. We're going to start with regular all-purpose flour. Make sure to get every nook and cranny. Then we're going to put it in the batter and let the excess batter drain off. And then we're going to really pack in this seasoned flour we made earlier. Now we're going to move it into oil that's at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Be careful when you drop it in. Nice and slow so it doesn't splash. And then we're going to let it cook for 10 minutes. So this is the first fry. They look good. Now we're going to raise the temperature of the oil to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we'll drop the chicken back in for a second fry, only for a couple of minutes. This will make Jimmy extra crispy. Then we're going to put them onto a tray, let them drain for a bit, and let the chicken rest. And we're ready for plating. I went ahead and made some fries to go with this and a special dipping sauce. Don't forget your cola.
Thanks for joining in on the video. Thank you, Vite, for creating the recipe. This is fantastic. As I'm kind of digging in here, like, the breading and everything is just peeling off. The meat is just peeling off. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Fantastic. Light and flaky. not too heavy. Anyway, go support them. Go support Takanashi Kiara. And if you want to try this at home, do so. It's a really good recipe. I highly recommend it. Anyway, thanks for joining me on the video again, and have a good one.